Is money online fast? If you are wondering how to make money online, it is important for you to stay away from get-rich-quick schemes. For example, there are some people who may recommend online business ideas that claim you can make money from home overnight. Number 1. Find freelance work. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed when you are a freelancer, and there are plenty of freelance jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs. Be sure to check out Upwork. They are the world's largest freelance marketplace. Upwork offers a large volume of remote freelance jobs. You'll see listings for freelancers as web designers, project managers, writers, graphic designers, and other specialties. Over 15 million freelancers get their work from Upwork, and it's free to join. There are also over 2 million jobs for freelancers listed on Upwork. Number 2. Start a YouTube channel. There are many ways to make money online with a YouTube channel. The most popular way is to add AdSense ads to your videos. Every time someone clicks on your ad, you make money. Another way to make money on your YouTube channel is to create sponsored content. This way you can make a profit by endorsing branded products or creating content marketing videos. Number 3. Start the dropshipping business. Dropshipping can be a simple and profitable business model. You don't have to pay for storing your inventory. Instead, you act as the go-between. Find suppliers online who will sell you products wholesale, then mark it up and earn a profit for yourself. From computers and clothing to jewelry and health food, there are thousands of suppliers who can provide you with your inventory. When you do this, you will need to have a website and/or e-commerce storefront of your own to market and sell the products. Number 4. Take online surveys. Believe it or not, you can make money online by taking surveys. There are online survey websites where you can take a survey in your spare time and earn gift cards or cash. Just keep in mind that some paid survey sites are better than others. Branded surveys is one way to earn money online by taking surveys. It's also a favorite of many. They have a sign-up, bonus competitions, a loyalty program, and competitive payouts you can earn up. Number 5. Creative blog. Blogs are a popular money-making tool because they're easy to create and offer many routes for monetization. If you have some knowledge on a subject, you could create an online course and sell your expertise to people who come to your blog. Or maybe you've got a blog that specializes in a particular topic. You could sell digital products related to that topic like guides, templates, ebooks, and more to folks that visit your blog. Another way to make money with your blog is to put AdSense ads on it. Every time someone clicks the ad, you make money. It can be a great way to earn passive income. Number 6. Write and publish an ebook. If you have some measure of knowledge on any specific topic, you can always write and publish an ebook to make money online. Just be sure to write about a topic that is relevant to your blog. This will increase your chances of making a sale since your audience comes to your blog because of your topic. You can also develop a newsletter list and email potential buyers about your ebook. Number 7. Development app. By developing an app, you can help put a brand right on the home screen of its audience's mobile devices. This way they can enjoy gamification, dedicated communities, and interactive content. App developers are in demand, so developing your own app or working for a company in need can be a great way to earn extra income. Number 8. Become a virtual tutor. Tutors are always in demand. Whether you are a teacher or someone with specific knowledge, you can help learners improve their grades and prepare for exams. Just keep in mind that you should have the teaching experience and a subject-specific certification. This will help create credibility for both parents and students. Do some research so you will understand your audience from your skills. Pick topics that you will feel confident teaching. Having specialization certification or an advanced degree will give you an additional advantage. Number 9. Become an influencer. Influencers are people who help persuade potential buyers of a product or service by promoting or recommending the items on social media or YouTube. If that appeals to you, start thinking about what your niche could be. Maybe you're interested in fashion or travel. Maybe you've got a lot of say about tech or fitness gear. Consider your strengths and pick a niche that allows you to showcase those strengths. Once you pick your niche, it is time to market to an audience. You can do this with a blog or on social media platforms. Once you start building your audience, you can start selling to them. If you become popular, you might get the opportunity to represent specific brands and make money by promoting their products. Number 10. Build websites today. Every business needs a website. There is a huge market for web designers, and these days you don't even need to know how to code. In order to build a site using a service like MailChimp, you can easily build a website that looks sleek and professional. If you're building a website from scratch, you can even buy a domain through MailChimp that aligns with a particular topic or business. Just keep in mind that it's best to pick an niche before you start creating websites. Put together a nice portfolio of the website that you have created, then get out there and market yourself.